Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the opacity of your video on the Filmora application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's my video, and actually if I want to set the opacity, just go to the just take a click to the video line, and here in the lower bar you can find the opacity next to the rotate option, and right corner of the home screen you can find the opacity section, and just click to the circle icon and just pull on the line, and you can use the apply to all option too. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.